It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy, hey, He's bad.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation, wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was other unit that I'm reviewing today is this unit right here from Outre, and it is part of their Color Bomb collection, and I have it in the style Celestine in the color DR2/Lilac Melt. And this is all the beautiful colors in this collection. There's more in the back, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I did use heat to lay the top down a little bit, and on wig types it's for $35. If you get the specialty color, it will run you about $39-40 bucks. So she comes with baby hair. I did not use it. It is pre-plucked. It's the transparent. It says it's pre-plucked, but I don't see it. I don't see it. And the lace is ear to ear. I did not glue it down. And she is, I would say, big head associate. She is squeezing my head just a little bit. She comes to a regular cap construction. 2 combs on the front right here, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. And she is pretty long. Like, she is stopping me on by my waist, and I'm 5'4", so that's pretty long. And she tangles a lot. Yeah, tangling is definitely expected, especially she's synthetic and she's color, so she's gonna be tangling, that's for sure. And shedding, I am getting some shedding. It's not a lot, for sure. And if you comb her out, just know that it is gonna get bigger and bigger the more you comb it out. I use my wide tooth comb just to comb it out, and she was like getting poofy on me. So yeah, that is it. She has like a little bit of silky texture to it. Yeah, a silky texture to it. I want to cut her. Should I cut her? Kind of want to cut her like down here. I don't know. But the color, I like how it has that gradient effect on it. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she's looking like all around.
Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met.
Yeah, this is it. I don't like the part. I like a middle part. And yeah, I don't like the parting that is being on the side, but that's just a personal preference. So let me know what you think about her. I don't know. I'm feeling her. I'm not. I'm in the middle. I think she's okay. I don't know. I'm not. I like it, but I don't know why, but I'm in the middle. Let me know what you think about her. Let's talk about it in the comment section. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Love Your Crowns. And make sure you have your notification bell on. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join the family, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.